Are you looking for simple ways to improve your health? Let's dive into the world of herbs and discover how these powerful plants can boost your health. So, what exactly are herbs? They're plant-based ingredients used for cooking, medicine, and health purposes. For thousands of years, people have relied on herbs for their natural compounds and healing properties. Now let's talk about their amazing health benefits. First up, anti-inflammatory properties. Herbs like turmeric, ginger, and rosemary have compounds like curcumin and gingerol that reduce inflammation. This can help with conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Next, they're rich in antioxidants. Basil, oregano, and thyme are packed with antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. This lowers the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and cardiovascular disease. Boosting your immune system, herbs like echinacea and garlic are your friends. Garlic in particular contains allicin, which helps fight infections and improve your body's defense mechanisms. For digestive health, turn to peppermint and fennel. Peppermint relaxes muscles in your digestive tract, easing conditions like bloating or IBS. Cognitive health is also a biggie. Sage and rosemary have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, potentially lowering the risk of age-related cognitive decline. And let's not forget heart health. Parsley and garlic can help regulate blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and improve overall cardiovascular health. So, how can you incorporate these herbs into your daily meals? It's simple. Add fresh basil to salads, cook with garlic, or make herbal teas. Use both fresh and dried herbs to enhance flavor and health benefits. But a quick note, avoid over-promising health benefits. Herbs can support health, but they aren't a cure-all. Also, some herbs can interact with medications or cause allergies. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any herbal regimen. To sum it up, herbs are an easy and tasty way to boost your health. They can improve digestion, support your immune system, and provide antioxidant protection. So go ahead, explore different herbs and make them a part of your daily meals. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips.